Howdy YouTube, happy Monday. So I've got this GT Mustang, I've got a spray today, painting this, and I'm out of here. I've got an appointment, so it's actually going to be the only job I get painted today. Came in a little bit late and I've got to leave early today, and I would have actually got more footage of this job, maybe a bit of the masking and prep work, but I forgot to take my GoPro home on the weekend, so it's just about full. I've got 20 minutes worth of recording left on this cam. So yep, we'll just get the paintwork on it. That's cool, we do that on most of the jobs these days anyway. So yeah, it's 5M is the color code, and then name of the color is Meteor. It's the same color that's on quite a few of the Mazdas. You probably already know that, I think it's, yeah, Ford owned Mazda, so they share a few of the colors. I guess Ford would have to be the original, and they just use the same color on their Mazdas. Yeah, what do you guys think of these cars here, the new Mustangs? I reckon they're pretty cool. Like, can't see myself personally owning one. I mean, I don't know. I was just saying to Alan before, I'd sooner see myself in something like a Merc coupe, a two-door Merc or something like that. And I've just found extra damage that the panel beaters have missed. I ain't got time to fix that. I'm leaving early today. That's the panel beater's job, to identify the damage on the job. See down here? Wow. Oh well, I'm gonna have to flick this cam off and go show the boss, see what he says. Hey, it was a good plan to get it painted today. If this starts dragging out very long, won't have any time. Got an appointment at like 3:30 today. So I've been using the good prep sole these days. I think it's been working a little bit better. It's like the proper Standox branded prep sole. YouTube, so I got this GT Mustang to spray here today. Just a lazy Monday afternoon. I didn't get any footage of the prep work stages or masking because I forgot to take my GoPro home on the weekend. I probably would have otherwise, because it's a pretty nice car. I know people like to watch the nice cars being prepped more so than your average everyday one. But yeah, as I say, running out of room on my GoPro, so I'll have to take that camera home tonight and unload all the footage. Because yeah, I forgot last Friday, I was busy, blackout Friday as usual. And come the end of the day, I was actually busy talking to the boss. Because yeah, I actually worked on Saturday this week as well. Haven't had to do Saturday work for a while, so yeah, today's Monday. Usually our quieter day, but if you have a look out there, there's a few jobs there. The way this shop works is a bit of an old school way, but I don't mind it. It's, you know, they got X amount of jobs come in early in the week, and they usually like to get them out by the Friday. It works for them, it works for me, I don't mind. But yeah, a lot of the shops these days are just have an even spread of cars coming in and out. They don't do the Friday rush anymore. Anyway, doesn't bother me. I'm just happy painting shit. Aren't we all? Forget about your politics and which spray guns you think's best. Just leave me in my booth with my favourite, and you can talk whatever shit you like. Doesn't matter. Just let me lay that glass down, baby. Rightio. So I'm going to start off with the 599. That's just going to fill in the cracked scratches and help the blend. And yeah, those who've been watching me for a while will probably know that I used to spray this after my second coat. These days I've gone back to the original way when I was sort of taught to spray, was to put it down first and then put your base coat down after. Like you see me doing here, that's how I was always taught to do it. But then I had a paint rep from Glazeric come in and he told me to do it the other way, and it worked well for me for years. But yeah, I've just gone back to this way and it's been working. They both work at the end of the day. So GB1 for base. Yeah, I've got to get out of there in 25 minutes. Got to leave early today, got an appointment on. Get that colour low, don't want to take it too far. There's silicone there, even just in that paint coat blender. It's alright mate, we'll fill it in with a couple of banging coats of clear. But it's tough in the face, go right there too. I'll flick that cam off between coats. Are we running? Are we running? Yeah, I think I just saw a red light flashing. So yeah, we got coverage after that second coat. I'm just giving it a bit of a drop coat. Quite a coarse metallic this colour. I'm going to want to give that a tack raz before I clear it too. and drop that pressure right down and go, oh my, I can see a very faint bit of muscling in it. Hold the gun right back. Let that metallic drop on. Nice and low pressure. And as I say, I will give it a good tack rag. I can just see those metallic particles flying all over it. Yeah, I'm going to go give that DV1 a bit of a clean out. Get some clear in. Yeah, Pro Light. Pro Light. And see you back here in 5 or 10 minutes. Rightio YouTube, so let's get this bad boy cleared up. I've got to get out of here in 10 minutes, so can't muck around for too long. Give it a quick tack rag down. As I mentioned earlier, I can see all these metallic flakes that have just floated all over the place, so I'm going to get them off. There's like flakes that have dried and then landed on the panel. I'm not sure if it's showing up in the video, but pretty obvious to the naked eye. Or it's not quite naked. My eyes aren't naked. I actually don't like spraying with naked eyes. I like to have this glass respirator visor on. Yeah, they say that the eyes are just as bad as like breathing it in, because it's like a open organism, your skin. And I really notice it, like just every now and then I'm in a real hurry or whatever, and I have to just use my half mask, which I used to use all the time. If I go back to that, I really notice it. Rightio, let's do this. Let's take some shit, gunners. Back to the good old Pro Light. I had a bit of fun with my water and a few other guns, but back on Old Faithful. You never left me down. I might have left you, but you never left me, did ya? Yeah, so the paintwork on these from factory isn't really great. Like, I'd say better than like European finishes, but like the clear coat finishes are terrible. It's just that they don't paint all the edges properly. Like, I was prepping this and masking this job up, and the rear windscreen where that meets up with the quarter panel on that pillar, it's see-through. Like the primer isn't even covered with the colour. Like, come on man, you're spending a lot of money on these new cars. Like all up inside here, it's just full on see-through. Oh well. All about that almighty dollar, isn't it, these days? I guess it always has been. Yeah, that's looking nice. Looking like it's blended out quite nice. I'm just going to give that a minute for what it's worth. I'm still using fast hardener. The car's got to go tomorrow. It's actually looking like it should come up pretty clean. Right, let's do this, gunners. So how much clear did I mix up? 450 mils. Honestly, I think 400 mils would have been just enough, but a job like this, I'm like, man, and especially because I've got to go in 10 minutes, got an appointment to go to. The last thing I want is to run out and then have to mix up enough to go over the entire job again, because started drying. So for the sake of mixing up an extra 50 mils, I'd rather have enough than run out, and you'd end up wasting more because you'd have to mix up enough to go over the entirety of all the panels again, rather than just the 50 mils that you actually needed, if you know what I mean. Because by the time I had them gone out, mixed it up, came back in the booth, it would have blacked off, and then it would have gone dry spray over the pack. It's to swallow, it's not, whatever, just watch me clean. So I don't even have the heat on in the booth today. I think it was like 26.8 degrees on the booth without any heat in it. So that's a nice painting temperature. That's nice. And yeah, I probably didn't need that extra 50 mils, but as I say, I'd rather have it on a job like this than have to mix up another round of mils to go over all the panels. That's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with that. Just about nailed that orange peel of these cars. A couple of bits of crap through here, but they'll all polish out. The blend looks nice and clean. And there you go. Rightio gunners, I'm pretty happy with that. As I say, I can't hang around for too long. I'll give you a quick look over the job, and I've got to go clean these guns out and get out of here. So yeah, pretty nice, neat job. Pretty open and closed one right there. Rightio gunners, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.